It's a brisk autumn day. The Lake City skiers and Clark's Marine have gathered here at Hidden Lake in Warsaw, Indiana, to take on a unique challenge: to show the world what can be done with a pontoon. But this is no ordinary pontoon. It's a Manitou with the sport handling package, better known as the SHP with patented V-Tune technology. This pontoon accelerates, planes, and turns more like a performance ski boat rather than a luxury pontoon. It's a true innovation to the pontoon industry. This Manitou is equipped with a brand new state-of-the-art Evinrude G2, making this pontoon a performance powerhouse, delivering maximum acceleration, speed, and unmatched maneuverability. Clark's Marine in North Webster, Indiana, and the Lake City skiers believe in this boat's potential and are ready to put it to the test. Cory Clark of Clark's Marine knows this boat's potential. Wanting to put Manitou's cutting-edge V-Tune technology to the test, he reached out to the Lake City skiers.
Clark's Marine has sponsored Lake City Skiers for several years now, and through that partnership we have come to realize that they are a truly talented team. So we felt it was a great partnership with Manitou, also being a growing company and rising in the ranks, that all of us kind of partnered together and do something that would set us all apart. Not just in the boating industry, not just in the skiing industry, but kind of all around.
The Lake City skiers are three-time National Division II show ski champions with members who have competed all over the world. Together they're going to attempt to pull a barefoot skiing line.
We chose the Manitou SHP and the Evinrude G2 to truly demonstrate the raw performance and pulling potential that this package is able to do. And it is truly the package that is able to pull on the same level as a competition ski boat and still be able to put 10 people inside and go out for a day of normal boating.
They have confidence in their abilities and that this SHP will have what it takes to get them up to speed on this small lake.
We've just been introduced to the new HO G2s here in the last year. We've been extremely excited about it, so we're really looking forward to putting both together with Manitou, another great pontoon company. They're with some good skiers out here and have a great time for everybody involved.
The pontoon, it's got added weight. It's big, it's bulky, it's more both for recreational use and for just going out and hanging out on pontoon out on the lake and doing that kind of stuff. So to have something that can do a little bit of both, anybody can get, is awesome. Like this is great.
What's really nice about this boat is it has something for everybody. If you've got a family that likes to go out there and sit on the sandbar and enjoy a nice afternoon on the lake, you've got that availability. If you've got folks that want to go out there and go skiing behind the boat, the Manitou V-Tune gives you that opportunity as well to get out there and ski amongst the other recreational skiers on the lake, or even at a higher level like this today.
I mean, we're trying to push the envelope in ways that nobody has even thought of or considered that a pontoon was even possible. But that kind of is. I mean, we want to make that kind of profound impact, if you will, where it's not just pontoons, it's not just outboards, it's not just skiing, it's kind of everything. What's not to love about boating?
The size of the lake poses one of the greatest challenges in this unofficial record-breaking attempt.
A typical pontoon, even trying to make a corner on this lake at wide open throttle, is almost impossible, let alone having 8 people behind you and being worried if they have all dropped and are all clear so I can make that corner. A typical inboard can run this course just fine, but we're not doing it with a typical inboard, we're doing it with a pontoon boat, so it poses some unique challenges for the standard tri-tune, whereas Manitou's V-Tune technology makes it pretty effortless.
We all grew up probably with not the best engines in our era, and speed was always an issue, and whenever we've got a boat that has speed and power, you've got a happy barefooter once we're done.
It's an awesome pontoon, and that should give us the speed that we need to pull these 8 barefooters. I'm pretty pumped.
It's going to be an amazing opportunity to see what you're about to see.
In just 700 feet, Cory needs to get this pontoon up to 45 miles per hour for the skiers to even attempt to get on their bare feet.
After a long, hard day at Hidden Lake, I would like to personally thank Lake City Skiers, Manitou, Evinrude, and all of Velocity Concepts for all their work and dedication on this video.